In this video, I'm going to show you how to distort an image in Affinity. So the first thing you have to do here in Affinity, select your image, go to the Pixel Studio up top, and then here you want to long press this move tool over here, and then you'll be able to see you have two tools, the perspective tool and then the mesh warp tool. So I'm going to use the perspective one first to show you how this works. So you can basically change the perspective of your image and you can distort it that way. So in case you've been looking for that, that's exactly how you can do that. Or in case you've been looking to actually distort it all around, you can go and use this tool up here, which is the mesh warp tool. And when you do that, you'll be able to, of course, warp it directly. So as you can see here, I currently have the whole layer selected. Let me actually go back to where I can do the full image. There we go. If I go and select the mesh warp tool, I can now basically customize this image and do whatever I want with it. Oops. So I can put it around, swivel it, I can spin it, I can do whatever I want, and I can distort it in that way. So that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.